Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of function composition. As per the problem, let f at x equals negative x plus 2 and g at x equals x plus 3 square. Determine a simplified algebraic model for each composite function. Let's start with part A, y equals f at g at x. As per the problem, g at x is equal to x plus 3 squared. So we should replace g at x with x plus 3 squared. Next, we should use the function f at x. We should replace x with x plus 3 squared in the function f at x. We do this because f at x is equal to negative x plus 2. Therefore, f at x plus 3 squared will be equal to negative x plus 3 squared plus 2. This is a very important concept we should understand and memorize to solve this type of problem. Now we can simplify this equation. We can distribute the square on x plus 3 by multiplying x plus 3 by itself. Next, we can distribute the terms in the parentheses using the FOIL method. Next, we can combine the like terms in the parentheses. 3x plus 3x is equal to 6x. Next, we can distribute the negative sign in the parentheses. We should multiply each term in the parentheses by negative 1. Next, we can combine the like terms, negative 9 and positive 2. This should be the final answer for part A. Now we can answer part B. Y equals g at f at x. The first step is to replace f at x with the given function negative x plus 2. Now we have to find g at negative x plus 2. We are given that g at x is equal to x plus 3 squared. So g at negative x plus 2 will be equal to negative x plus 2 plus 3 squared. We replace x in the parentheses with negative x plus 2. This is a very important concept we need to understand to solve this type of problem. Next, we can combine the like terms in the parentheses. Next, we can distribute the square by multiplying negative x plus 5 by itself. Next, we can distribute the terms in the parentheses using the FOIL method. Negative x times negative x is x squared. Negative x times 5 is negative 5x. 5 times negative x is negative 5x. 5 times 5 is 25. We can combine the like terms. Negative 5x minus 5x is equal to negative 10x. This should be the final answer for part B. Now we can answer part C. Y equals f at x. The first step is to replace f at x with the given function negative x plus 2. Now we have to find f at negative x plus 2. We should use the given function f at x equals negative x plus 2. We should replace x with negative x plus 2 in this function. There is a very important step we need to understand to solve this problem. Now we can simplify this equation. We should distribute the negative sign in the parentheses. We should multiply both terms in the parentheses by negative 1. Negative x changes to positive x and 2 changes to negative 2. Now we can combine like terms. I get y equals x. This should be the final answer for part C. Now we can answer part D. Y equals g at x. The first step is to replace g at x in the parentheses by the given function x plus 3 squared. Now we can use the given function g at x to find g at x plus 3 squared. We should replace x with x plus 3 squared in the given function g at x. Next, we should distribute the square inside the parentheses. We should multiply x plus 3 by itself. We should distribute the terms in the parentheses using the FOIL method. Next, we can combine the like terms. Next, we should evaluate the square on the parentheses by multiplying x squared plus 6x plus 12 by itself. Next, we can distribute the terms in the parentheses. X squared times x squared is x to the power 4. X squared times 6x is 6x cubed. X squared times 12 is 12x squared. 6x times x squared is 6x cubed. 6x times 6x is 36x squared. 6x times 12 is 72x. 12 times x squared is 12x squared. 12 times 6x is 72x. And 12 times 12 is 144. Now we can combine the like terms. This should be the final answer for part D. Now we can answer part E. Y equals inverse of f at x. For part E, we have to find the inverse of given function f at x. The first step is to change f at x to y. Next, we should switch x and y. Now we have to solve for the new y. We should move the y term to the left side of the equation, and that will make the y term positive. And we should move the x term to the right side of the equation, and that will make this x term negative. I get y equals negative x plus 2. This is the inverse of the function f at x. We can write it using the notation for inverse function. Now we can find inverse of f at x. The first step is to replace f at x with negative x plus 2. Now we have to use the inverse function we found. In the inverse function, we should replace x with negative x plus 2. Now we can simplify this equation. We should distribute the negative sign in the parentheses. We get x minus 2 plus 2. Now we can combine like terms. I get y equals x. Negative 2 and plus 2 cancel each other out. This should be the final answer for part E. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.